Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to divide easily. You have this big amount of number and they tell you to divide it. You're in an exam, they said no calculator. How do you divide this easily? So first of all, solution. There are two methods to divide this kind of big numbers easily. First of all, you have 1, 3, 4 divided by 6. You start from here. 6 going to 1. Can 6 go into 1? No. Then 6 going to 13. 6 going to 13 is what? 2. That's 12. You come, you have 2. Remember what? 1. You put 1 here. 6 going to 14 is what? 2. That's 12. Remember what? 2. Right? 6 going to 24 is what? 4. So it has no remainder. Now 6 going to 6 is what? 1. You've successfully divided this that the answer is 2241. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to start looking for calculator. It's as simple as ABCD. Within 1 minute, you're done. If you want us to confirm this number, let's confirm it. 2241 times 6. 6 24. 12 plus 1 14. 12 plus 1 13. I've gotten the number back. Simple. Now, I know you asked me, okay, what about with decimal point? What about when the answer gives a decimal point? We're going to go into that now.